We are proud to present this excellent 2003 Chevrolet TrailBlazer extension. This TrailBlazer extension has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This vehicle has a light pewter metallic exterior and includes the following options: tires, P245/65R17 on off-road BW. Black roof-mounted adjustable luggage rack, body color body side moldings, content theft deterrent system, electronic cruise control, front and rear color keyed carpeted floor mats, HomeLink wireless control system, leather-wrapped steering wheel rim. Also includes radio, ETRM FM stereo WCD player. Contact our internet sales staff today to schedule an appointment.